This dance is called Be the One. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, high beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot with a kick ball step. 1 and 2 count timing steps. You're going to kick the right forward, put the weight on the ball of the foot beside the left. Immediately change your weight on the left as you step that left forward. Kick, ball, step. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side. That little set of steps once more then. Kick, ball, step, off on the right. 7, 8. Kick, ball, step, walk, walk, side, rock, behind, side. Add on a jazz box with a cross. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. Jazz box with a cross. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Now we're going to do some sways. So you're going to step the left slightly to the side as you sway to the left, then sway to the right. That set of steps once more then. Jazz box with a cross. Off on the right. 7, 8. Cross. Back, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway. Let's add that to the top. Kick, ball, step off on the right. 7, 8. Kick, ball, step, walk, walk, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway. Chassé to the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, but we're going to put a quarter turn on the end. So you're going to step the left to the side, right beside the left, quarter turn left as you step that left forward, making sure you have completely turned your entire body. So we don't want any twists in there. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, walk forward 3 steps, right, left, right, point the left to the side. That set of steps once more then. Chassé to the left with that quarter turn on the end. Left foot leading. 7, 8. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, 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 point. Now that chassé quarter turn, that step pivot half do give you the equivalent of a 3/4 turn. Now we always say where possible, do try and put the turns in the dances because they do look so much better when they are in there. However, if for whatever reason you are struggling to do that particular set of steps and that turn, either because you can't get the turns in time to the music, or it's making you feel a bit dizzy or disorientated, there is an alternative set of steps that you can do. But do stress, do try and do the turning option first. Only do these if you really can't do the turns. So your non-turning steps would be, you're going to chassé, the same as everybody else, to the side. You're going to put a quarter turn on, but you're going to turn the opposite way. So you'll step your left to the side, right beside left. Instead of turning left, you turn right and you step back on that left. Again, make sure you have turned your whole body. So your heel will come up off the floor, off that right foot, and that foot will have twisted round as well. That's absolutely fine. Then rather than do that step pivot half, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. You can then continue with everybody else, walk, 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 point. So non-turning steps, should you need to take out that 3/4 a turn, but do try and put it in to start. So let's add that to the top. Kick, ball, step off on the right. 7, 8. Kick, ball, step, walk, walk, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, step, pivot, walk, 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 point. Step back on the left, point the right to the side. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. We're going into a half shuffle turn over your left shoulder. 1 and 2 count timing steps, quarter, close, quarter. So you're going to make a quarter turn left, as you step that right to the side, step the left beside the right, quarter turn left, as you step back on that right. That's your half shuffle turn. 1 and 2 count timing on that though, so it's a little bit faster. Then step back on the left, touch the right beside the left. End of dance. So that set of steps once more then. Back point off on the left. 7, 8. Back, point, back, rock, half shuffle, back, touch. Let's put it all together. All the way through from the top. Kick, ball, step, off on the right. 7, 8. Kick, ball, step, walk, walk, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, step, pivot, walk, 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 point. Back, point, back, rock, half shuffle, back, touch. So that is your dance. Now the music is just a little bit faster than that, and it is a 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and we'll try and increase the speed as we go around the walls. Kick, ball, step, off on the right. 7, 8. Kick, ball, step, walk, walk, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway. And just say turn, step, pivot, walk, 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 point, back, rock, half shuffle, back, touch. Kick, ball, step, walk, walk, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, step, pivot, walk, 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 point, back, rock, half shuffle, back, touch. Kick, ball, step, walk, walk, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, step, pivot, walk, 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 point, back, rock, half shuffle, back, touch. Hopefully you managed to keep up with that. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music.
The one, be the one, be the one. You'll be the one, be the one, be the one. You'll be the one, be the one, be the one. You'll be the one, be the one, be the one.
5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, step, walk, walk, side, rock, behind, side. Cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway. Chasse, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, point, back, rock, half shuffle, back, touch. Kick, ball, step, walk, walk, side, rock, behind, side. cross, back, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway, chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, point, back, rock, half shuffle, back, touch, kickball, step, walk, side, rock, behind, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway, chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, point, back, rock, half shuffle, back, touch, kickball, change, forward, time, rock, behind, side, cross, side, touch, sway, sway, check, front step, breeze, walk, point, back, rock, half shuffle, back, touch, kickball, jazz, chassé, back point, 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 hope you managed that one.